Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheets tutorial how to justify text. So for example, I will create text like this. And if you want to justify this text in one cell, you can use wrap tools, go to format, click on wrappings, and then you can choose wrap. So to be automatically justifies in this cell. The other option, you also can use align tools. You can click this option, align. You can set into center, and then you can set into right. The other, you also can set for the position. This is for the middle. So resize the row, or you can set into the top or in the bottom here. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial, how to justify text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.